How to replace the brake light in a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, we're replacing this brake light. You see, it's on. This one is not on. So it has this back. It has this cover. You have to remove it, and the inside right here, it has four nuts. Stay there. These little nuts, you gotta remove them in order to get it out. So we're gonna get that one out. See, I don't want to lose it because I need to put it back on. Okay, we got one out. We got another one hiding down here. That one. Okay, get it out. And we got one more on top. There's 3 nuts. Okay. Of course I lost that one. So now you can just move the now it's on. But I was gonna change it anyway. So you come over here and you twist it. You twist the plug and lift it up. What happened? Right there. Let me take the brake light out. I got a screwdriver holding it right there, so you're gonna back up the seat so the screwdriver won't push the brake pedal anymore. That's it. Now you go back. Hopefully it's not too hot. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna push it in and twist it. Okay, so let it cool down a little bit. You push and twist. Okay, see if I can do it with one hand. Push and twist, and now lifts, and now it's out. Now you see this prong, this little top right here, and it has 2. One is lower than the other one. Okay, so remember the one is close to the bottom. That's the one it goes in the top. Just put attention when you pull it out, okay? Because if you put it the other way, you're gonna be fighting with it. But if it doesn't go, just go half a turn and put it in again. So I have my new bulb right here. So I'm gonna put it in all the way in. What is the thing right there? Okay, all the way in again and twist. Okay, and pull. See if it's trying to get out. So you did a good job. Try one more time. Okay, so now you see it has this O-ring right there, this seal. Make sure it's on because you don't want water or moisture going inside. That's why your bulbs, they don't last long, because water goes inside. So now you're gonna line it up. I think that rubber piece, I gotta put it on the plug. Hold on, give me that thing. So this rubber piece, you gotta go on this thing. It's hard to do this in one hand. Alright, now you put it in. It's all the way in. Now you twist it. Now it's on. Alright, now we're gonna put the screwdriver again to make sure. Oh, it's on. Just go forward with the seat. Go more till you push the pedal. Okay, that's it. It's working. Okay, that one works and the top one works. They all work. Alright, so that's how you replace your brake light in 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. So now we're gonna put it on and put the nut back on. So you twist it and you just, oh, I'm gonna show you this thing. See this little knob right here? this, it has to go in that little hole right there. So you line up that one first. Once you get that one in, the studs, they will line up perfect all by themselves. That's it. Make sure everything looks neat, and now you can put the nuts back on. Let me see. Okay, now we're gonna put the nuts back on. Put it in by hand right there. One. Okay, two. There. And three at the bottom. Okay, now you're gonna tighten them up. I'm using my wrench. That's it. You're not holding the planet with this thing, so a little bit is good. That's good. So now you got the cover. Come on, you. There you go. That's it. The cover, it goes that way and it clicks. All right. So to take it out, use the screwdriver to pop this thing off. So that's how you replace your brake light in a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe. Bye bye.